Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can connect Instagram to Facebook. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Then log in using your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. Now, tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and go to your account settings. Inside the settings, search for Professional and switch your account to Professional or Creative in order to connect it to any Facebook page or account. After you have done it, go to your profile page and there will be a dashboard. Tap on it and go to its settings to make sure you are in the creators mode. After that, go to your account settings, open Creator Tools and select Connect or Create. You can see that if you follow the on-screen instructions, you will be redirected to the Facebook login page. If you log in on this page, you will be able to link your account. To do the same thing using the Facebook app, open your Facebook app and go to Settings, and then switch to the page you would like to connect. After you have switched over, open Settings, and you will be able to link your Instagram account using this button. After this, you will be prompted to log in using your Instagram account, and after that, your Facebook page will be linked with Instagram successfully. And that's how you can connect Instagram to Facebook. Hope you like the video. Thanks.